We're back in Sunnyvale, previewing another listing. This time it's a townhouse slash condo style home. Let's check it out. Have a nice lemon tree there. Nice low maintenance front landscaping. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,871 square foot home. It's listed at $1,988,000. Check out the kitchen. Looks like it's been recently remodeled. Good job on the staging as well. Nice size island with 3 to 4 spaces for bar stools. Check out the living area. We'll just go check out the backyard area since we're already down here on this first floor. It's a decent size. Most condos only offer some type of balcony, but these townhome style homes, these townhouses, the benefit of these townhouses is they offer a slightly larger backyard, so it makes it feel like a single family living. Let's do it once more in the kitchen. Looks like brand new flooring, brand new cabinets, countertops, brand new, looks like LG appliances. They're all matching LG. Electric stovetop, LG microwave, an LG refrigerator. You have your HVAC closet. Coat closet under the stairwell. You got your half bathroom here. And this door here leads into your laundry room. Got your washer hookups here, your dryer here, and this leads into the garage. Plenty of space for a 2-car garage. Let's check out upstairs. You have a full-size bathroom. As soon as you climb the stairwell here to the right. Nice fancy modern light fixture. Great sized bedroom. Nice vaulted ceilings. This looks to be the primary bathroom. There's your closet space. Let's check out bedroom number 2. With your view of the backyard. Decent sized room as well. You have your closet here. Let's go to bedroom number 3. This one looks to be a little larger. And let's check out the last bedroom. Again, great size bedroom. Nice vaulted ceilings. 2 large windows overlooking the main street. Lots of closet space. And it looks like an extra storage / cubby up top. So that's it for this townhouse / condo preview. Again, it's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 1871 square feet here in Sunnyvale. Listed at $1,988,000. If you or someone you know is interested in purchasing a property here in Sunnyvale, please reach out. Happy to help. If you guys find these tours helpful and useful, please comment, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. Thank you for watching.